Hey guys, so I'm finally going to go get this DNA catback exhaust that I got from Amazon. I'm finally gonna get this exhaust put on the car. Got it at a good price, so finally I'm done with the stock exhaust. Let's go see how it sounds. Week Junior. Sorry guys for the terrible video quality on the exhaust, but my neighbors were already complaining about me revving it, so I didn't want to piss them off. I'll try to get another video with me actually doing a revving video, and I'll get back to you guys. All right guys, so I'm back. I'm finally back home. On the drive back, I would say it is a little bit loud for my taste. So, let's give it a few months and see how it goes. See if if the exhaust starts settling in, if it gets a little, silent, a little quieter. So, I'll be back with a review to let you guys know how it went.